Hello guys, welcome to 7GB channel. Today I am about to test Appnana. I want to see if that really works. Let's see. For the past 2 months I've been using this app, watching video ads and doing other stuff, other offers. Now time for the real test. Let's see if it's really give us rewards. Well, 2 offers. Oh, I'm trying to do Steam gift cards. Let's see, $5. Name. Okay, let's see if it works. Well, let's say you will receive a gift code within 48 hours. Okay. Okay. I'm not interested in 500. So let's see after 48 hours. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. They send me an email, reward confirmation. So I'm not sure they're gonna give me this. Let's see. They say 72 hours here. They said 48 hours before. Let's see what really works. Hello guys. Now it has been nearly 38 hours. I finally got my $5 Steam cards. So Appnana actually pays. If you have any other apps to test, comment in the comment box. Thanks. Like and subscribe to my channel.